happy for him to finally retire, to have some peace, to be away from the swamp, to golf, to be a grandfather to his grandchildren, to be a father to his children.
That he would choose Florida, this great man that has done so much for our country, it means a lot.
Being able to get out here and show him support on his very last day and show appreciation for what he's done for us. This guy works insane hours, gets zero sleep, and had every single obstacle, in his way. He, did so many good things for the American people with 50-pound weights on each foot. So can't say enough good things about him. And, hopefully this could be a roadmap to success in the future.